What's up, everybody? How are you doing? Hope you are doing well wherever you are. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Wasinafi. If for those who are new here, if you don't know me, and if it's your first time in my channel, please remember subscribing. So on today's video, as you have seen, first of all, guys, I will start by appreciating you for your support you are putting on my channel. So at this point on today's video, as you have seen there, it's a grocery day, of which I usually start by cleaning the fridge. Most of the time, as you can see here, I have a radio for the songs to keep me busy. I always like listening to music when I'm busy, like those putting those groceries at a place, arranging them well. Yeah, so as you can see here, our kitchen is so messy, and I will show you everything one by one, and then at the end of the video I will show you the names of all the things here, all the veggies and fruits, because some of them I don't know their names. I'm just seeing them for the first time. So I usually start by cleaning the fridge before they bring the grocery, those vegetables and fruits. But this round I didn't expect that day to be brought these days. So sorry guys, I had to wash the fridge before, and I had to wash the fridge the same day after the grocery have been brought. Yeah, I think these are some of these vegetables are the one that you interact with them there at your place. Some of you, because of me, even with me, some of the things I'm just saying, I saw them here in Saudi Arabia for the first time. I didn't see them in Kenya. That's green pepper. So you can see at this point, guys, it's so cold. It's winter in Saudi Arabia. For those who doesn't know, I'm in Saudi Arabia as a house manager. So it's so cold. It's winter season. As you saw on my intro. Oh my god, these are beetroot. Like this one, like this fruit, I just saw them here in Saudi Arabia that people eat. As in Kenya, we don't count this as fruit. The fig tree fruit. In this one, I don't know what is this. What's this? Oh god, the mangoes. Wherever that you will see that has said that I don't know, you can just please help me to write the name of the fruit in comment section. Yeah, and chestnuts. There's this called chestnuts. Yeah. kind of oranges?
What are these?
Kind of oranges are these?
These they look like oranges, but they are not oranges. They are so small, and people eat like that. Then these potatoes for here, they doesn't taste like our potatoes in Kenya. I don't know why. We have maize. Guys, let me. Can you just tell me what are the difference between maize and corns? We have watermelon. Kiwi. Then these guavas in Arabic they call them juafa. Juafa. It's just a little bit near, a little bit same like English. Another maize.
What's this? What's this?
We have this big lemon. I don't know. Is it still lemon or it has another name?
Which kind of lemon is this? Then I have this. Is it lettuce?
These items are usually packed in different bags. Like this one, which I'm opening. As you see, it consists of many greens, like the one for salad. Yeah.
Parsley.
This one is parsley. In Arabic, it's called bagdonis. This one is spinach. Spinach for here. It looks like this. It just tastes like dodo. Inside called dodo. Oh my god! You see this one? This one is coriander leaves. I like coriander leaves. Since I used to use them in Kenya, so when I see it here, I feel so nice, and also it makes food taste so nice. It doesn't taste like the other one, parsley. They like parsley than this coriander. Then you have also this one. This one I just saw it here in Saudi.
Like this.
They pluck it like this.
One leaf.
Sorry guys, they pluck it like this. One leaf. They use it for salad. Then we have strawberry. These are called cantaloupe. Is it cantaloupe?
Then I think these one are oranges. Yeah.
Then these are oranges.
I have to arrange them now in the fridge.
As you can see how messy is our kitchen, and then these are the ones that they remained in the fridge before they brought those new ones. So as usual, usually take this one.
Oh, I forgot this
when there is no special. We have also this one. This one is called tamarind, sweet tamarind. It's so sweet. I wonder which kind of tamarind is this, because with me I use the one in Kenya, of which it's so bitter. Yeah. As you have seen, now our kitchen is so messy. I'm just trying to clear up.
many hours later. It's 6 hours later, guys. I finished 6 hours later. So this is how I arranged our fridge. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.